At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. It is fitting that at this solemn moment we take the pledge of dedication to the service of India and her people and to the still larger cause. At the dawn of history, India started on her unending quest, and trackless centuries are filled with her striving and the grandeur of her successes and her failures. To the people of India, whose representatives we are, we make appeal to join us with faith and confidence in this great adventure. We have to build the noble mansion of free India where all her children may dwell.